Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can add an account to your Gmail account on your iPhone or Android. So you have your Gmail, you can add other accounts here so you can switch to anyone and choose your email. In order to do this, you have to go to the Gmail app. Then you have to click at the top on Account. And here you click on Add another account. You click on that. You choose what you want to add here. Some other email, iCloud, Google. Google, for example. Click Continue. Now here we just specify the mail we need. Specify the password. Pass the two-stage authentication, if it is not enabled. And after that, our account is added and we can switch between accounts and view the information we need. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye. See you later.